Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is the concept of a blackbody in physics, and how do actual objects differ from this idealized model? Blackbodies emit the maximum amount of radiation and absorbs all the radiation at a given temperature. Real bodies emit and absorb less radiation than blackbody at the same temperature. And the explanation in depth is more or less the same. So they do go into detail saying that it perfectly absorbs all incoming radiation and emits the maximum possible radiation for its temperature. In contrast, real objects emit less than the blackbody at the same temperature. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.